So today I'm going to try something new with my lips. I'm going to try my ex-husband's new wife. Her name is Tamika, and she has her own lipstick line out. She gave me a stick. And the name is Standy Funky Lipstick. Standy Funky Lipstick. And her cute picture right there. That's cute. So, girlfriend, do your thing. I'm going to apply this on for the first time because I am wearing some red today. And so, we're going to see how this turns out. So, just going to wipe my mouth. Make sure it's good and clean. So I don't want no sticky residue or that, you know, sticking to your lips. Ugh. So, let's see. Oh, it's gonna really soft. 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 The brush is soft too. I only dipped it once, and it's giving me all this. Cool. I'm going to do something else real quick. Apply a little bit of lip liner on here. Chestnut. Let's do chestnut or plum. Let's try chestnut. For some areas that I'm scared to touch. Because I don't want it all over my face. Get a little ombre going on. Cool. Kind of like a matte finish. It's got that matted texture to it. And I'm going to take my brush, make sure I got that blended in properly. Okay, here we go. all done. So, if you like, subscribe to the link below, and I'll be back with more. Maybe next time a more dramatic look, but something simple tonight. Just to go out for 2 hours. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Never mind him. Hey guys, I'm back. So as you just saw, I put on a full face of makeup, and I just did my little edges, and I put my earrings on, and I'm putting on my jewelry to go out for tonight. So so you see how I pulled everything together. You see my eyes and my eyelashes and my eyebrows. And that is the finished product. So if you like, please hit the like button. Subscribe to your girl, Poocee, Bad and Boujee, or Boujee. Or what was it, Jason? Bad and Boujee Poocee?
Boujee.
I don't know which one I'm going to choose yet. It's either going to be Boujee Poocee, Bad and Boujee Poocee, or just Boujee Poocee. Hey, stay tuned. You'll find out of which name I choose. Or we can make this into a contest. Tell me which one I should do. I know. That's just the way I think of myself. Just help me out. You may not think I'm Bad and Boujee, but if you knew me, I've been rocking with that name since Amigos came out with it. That's been my song. Yeah, obviously. So, hit the like button and subscribe to your girl below. Love you. See you later.